Dear riders, welcome to Bandidos YouTube. Behind this channel, our team is working very closely to bring you all the exciting details, products, services, and news about this industry. Before we go into the details of this particular video, we have a very interesting topic. I got a beautiful looking interceptor. What I'm going to talk about today is very interesting, and before we get into that, pause the video and subscribe to Bandidos Pit Stop YouTube channel, and if you prefer to get the notification of it, hit the bell button. Let us begin. Quite often, our riders would prefer to upgrade the performance of the bike, but how can you ignore to upgrade your brake accordingly? So we have the racing boy from Malaysia with upgraded brake master cylinder and hydraulic clutch. Let's go and review the products very closely, and we will see the features about it. The products what we are discussing here are the right master cylinder for the brake system and the left master cylinder for the hydraulic clutch. Let us start with the braking system out here. The reason why you should upgrade into this particular braking system, because it gives you a higher efficiency on your braking and the impact is very quick. Why? It is only because the force is applied on a radial system rather than an actual force application as on the stock motorcycle. So that is the main advantage what the rider is going to get. Your braking efficiency is much more greater when you install this. According to your finger length and your height is different, you can adjust the lever out here with the help of these screws. The lever is made of aluminum with the CNC cut. It has got great finish, and the anodizing technology is used to plate the color. It is quite mitigating the risk of fading the tone. In case your bike is getting into a crash and the force is applied on this lever, it can move and save from breaking it over. On an unforeseen situation, the force is quite higher, then only this portion is going to get cut off, but you can still use the brake and it will not stop your journey. The reservoir is beautifully made, quite aesthetic. It looks very good, very tiny, cute. At the same time, it is transparent, so you can see the fluid level, and whenever it comes to the level where you need to fill it on, you can add on a little bit fluid and it is comfortable to use it. When it comes to the hydraulic side for the clutch, the engaging and disengaging from the transmission as you need to shift your gears, it is a very common task and you have to do it very often. The conventional clutch works with a cable and it requires an effort. And as I said before, it is a continuous process and you have to disengage and engage your clutch from the transmission every time you shift your gear. So the fluid system with the hydraulic clutch, the advantage is the application of your clutch is quite smoother, because instead of a cable, it works with the fluid pressure applied on the piston. Right, comes here, there is a pump here. It's called the clutch pump. Whenever the clutch works on your lever, the pumps push the fluid, and the pressure applied with the help of the fluid is much more than the conventional cabling system. So that is what making you effortlessly shift your gear with engaging and disengaging the clutch. The clutch works very smoother. So these are the main function of these master cylinders. Riders, those who are upgrading your motorcycles, you ride with a lot of extra energy, force, but you need to have enough comfort of clutch. At the same time, you need to have a higher braking efficiency. When it comes to brake, it is not just the front wheel brake system. RCB is also introducing upgraded high performance rear brake pump. And you can also choose the Teflon brake fluid hose. It is highly durable, and all these products works in sync. So your efficiency is guaranteed. Riders, the speed thrills, but RCB will build the confidence in your riding. If you wanted to grab this product, you can visit www.bandidospitstop.com or visit Bandos Pitstop retail store in Pongundam, Thrissur. So riders, keep riding, keep exploring, but ride safe and be safe.